Hello guys, today I will explore on how principle of design can interpret with styling. For today, I will show you how to use balance from principle of design for better styling. So let's get started. In principle of design, balance is how the visual weight is equally distributed and every element can visually weight from size, colors, texture, and density. Large, dense, complex elements appear to be heavier than smaller, simple elements. In styling, a short sleeveless, skinny fit is considered lighter than those with loose, oversized, boxy shape. And a clean, simple, minimal clothes also look more lighter than clothes that have drapes, graffitis, and ornate detail. For colors, dark items feel much heavier than lighter colors, and white is the lightest colors and black is the heaviest. And if you convert the colors pictures into black and white pictures, you can see that yellow is the lightest and red and blue is on the heavy side. Comparing between balance and unbalanced, a well-balanced gives a feeling of stability and security. On the other hand, unbalanced gives a feeling of disruption. In design, there are two main types of balance: symmetrical balance and asymmetrical balance. Symmetrical balance is how both sides of the composition look identical. It can be in horizontal axis or vertical axis and in radius axis. In styling, most of our clothes are technically symmetrical, but you can add more symmetrical balance to your outfit by wearing matching suit, a dress, or a jumpsuit. And these tend to be more formal and to be more static. And for asymmetrical balance, in design it is how each half is different but have equally visual weight. In styling, there are several types of clothes that is considered asymmetrical balance, like a one-shoulder tops or asymmetrical skirt or asymmetrical draping clothes. You can also create a asymmetrical balance look without asymmetrical balance clothes by mix and match your outfit, and the asymmetrical balance look will give you more informal and give more dynamic looks to your overall outfit. So I am wearing a knit sweater which is thick and heavy with a black wide leg trouser which also quite heavy as well. Overall, this outfit is a bit too heavy and this make me look chunky. For a more balanced look, I will change the shape of my pants to more taper style, and I would change the color from black to more lighter colors. Here I look more balanced, not too heavy, and look more put together. And this is all how I use balance from principle of design for better styling. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.